Hello and welcome to this tutorial video series on iMovie, one of the creative apps for the iPad. Here you'll see iMovie with photos coupled together, and that's intentional because these apps work together and I wanted to point out how. So I'll begin by tapping the Photos app, and as you probably know, every photo that is taken or video that is taken with the iPad appears here. In addition, any photo that has been imported from the internet, every screenshot, and even other media ends up here in the Photos app. The nice thing about this is that iMovie can pull directly from the Photos app. So anything that's in here is accessible directly from iMovie. And if you create an album, these are different albums I have, it can help to organize photos or video clips that you would like to use in an iMovie project. So for example, here I have art and I have 7